Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to make your unlocked Samsung phone work on Verizon. I know a lot of people say that you cannot use Verizon on your Samsung phone, but we can make it happen. This will work on any unlocked Samsung phone model. In order for this to work, your phone needs to be unlocked. If it's not unlocked, then you will need to first purchase the unlock service and then purchase the Verizon install service. So let me go ahead and show you how to place the order and how it works. We will open the internet browser and go to TechMajesty.com. Then you will go to the Samsung add-on services section. Then you will choose the Samsung Verizon Compatibility service. After that, you will go ahead and enter your Samsung phone model. For example, I have the Samsung S10, so that's what I'll put here. But literally, you can go ahead and put any Samsung phone model. Samsung Note 9, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, whatever. Any phone model will work on this service. After that, you will go ahead and enter the 15-digit IMEI number for your phone. You can go ahead and find this number by dialing star pound 06 pound on your phone's dialer. After that, you will click on the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive an email within 1 hour informing you that we are ready to begin the Verizon install on your phone. The email will look like this and say order enclosed. The email will contain a download link to the USB redirector, which is basically a software our technicians will use to access your Samsung phone and complete the install. The email will also contain a link to our live chat where our technician will be with you during the entire unlock process. The whole process will only take about 5 to 10 minutes for our technicians to finish working on your phone. All you have to do is plug in your phone to the computer and we take care of the rest. Now I'll show you step by step how the process will work. So this is the USB redirector software I was talking about. The first step will be where our technician will ask you to plug in your phone to the computer using the USB cable. Then step 2 and 3 will involve the technician working on your phone's Verizon install. Then the final and fourth step will be your phone working on Verizon. Now that the phone will work on Verizon, you can restore, upgrade, or do anything else to the phone, and the phone will continue to work on Verizon. So guys, it's as easy as that to make your Samsung phone work on Verizon. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.